You can expect a lot from the 2017 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Subaru infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.